Dear Jnotes users and friends, this video will introduce the quiz function in Jnotes AI Notes. First, you need to create a new AI note. After the note is generated, click on the quizzes function at the top. Here, you can select from 6 question types: single choice, multiple choice, true or false, short answer, case analysis, and essay question. Once you've set the question types and the number of questions you want to generate, click Save and Generate. Then, Jnotes AI will extract the knowledge points from the AI note and turn them into questions of the selected types. After completing your answers, click Submit Answers. The reference answers and explanations will immediately appear below. The History Quizzes button in the top right corner allows you to review all the quizzes you've taken before. We believe the quiz function will help you check for gaps in your knowledge more efficiently. Go to Jnotes AI Notes and experience this new feature now.